How does baking soda bicarbonate of soda work in baking?
Hello there, baking enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the wonderful world of baking soda, also known as bicarbonate of soda. We're going to explore how it works its magic in baking, transforming simple ingredients into fluffy, golden goodies.
What is baking soda?
Let's start with the basics. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is a white, crystalline powder that is used as a leavening agent in baking. This means that it helps baked goods rise, giving them their light and fluffy texture. But how does it do this? Let's dive in and find out.
The science of baking soda.
When baking soda gets mixed with a liquid and an acidic ingredient, such as vinegar, lemon juice, or buttermilk, it undergoes a chemical reaction. During this reaction, the baking soda, a base, reacts with the acid to form carbon dioxide gas. This gas gets trapped within the batter or dough, creating little bubbles. As the baking continues, these bubbles expand and cause the dough to rise. This is what gives cakes, breads, and cookies their fluffy and airy texture.
The importance of balance.
It's all about balance. Too little baking soda, and your baked goods may end up flat and dense. Too much, and they could have a soapy, metallic taste. The key is to balance the amount of baking soda with the quantity of acidic ingredient in your recipe.
Baking soda versus baking powder.
So, you might be wondering, what about baking powder? Baking powder actually contains baking soda, along with an acidic ingredient and a drying agent. It's double acting, meaning it produces gas once when it gets wet, and again when it's heated. This makes it more versatile than baking soda, but the latter is still preferred in recipes with plenty of natural acidity. And there you have it. That's the secret behind the power of baking soda in baking. It's a simple ingredient, but it has a huge impact on the texture and taste of your baked goods. We hope you've enjoyed this journey into the science of baking. Keep this knowledge in mind the next time you're whipping up your favorite treats, and happy baking!